is a problem from the plant. हालत कोण रिपोर्टर आयलो म्हाजे कडेन उदकाचो इशू आमकां खबर आसा तुमकांय खबर आसा तिलारी कडल्यान लायन कितें डॅमेज जाल्ली एंड अस्नोरा आमकां देर वॉज अ बीग प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम अस्नोरा फॉर फूल बार्देस तालुका बाकीच्या आमदारांनी कन्सर्न रेज केल्लो पण आमी सांगूंक सोदता की वी आर ऑलरेडी इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेक्टिफायंग दिस इशू वी हॅव बिल्ड 1, 2, 3, 4 reservoirs in Mopsa. काम चालू आसा. By April, we'll be commissioning one big reservoir in Dattawadi. So by April, that work will be completed. Last year, around this time, we had commenced the work. So we will have enough storing capacity. So tomorrow, आणि खंय breakdown सुद्धा जाल्यार आमचे कडेन 1-2 दिसाचो buffer time आसतलो. So there is enough time for the department to fix the problem.
केन्ना पर्यंत जातले ते?
By end of April, they are completing the work. The tank is almost completed. Only they will have to do testing. त्याच्यानंतर they can commission. आणि आमचो फेज 2 प्लॅन आसा तो एक्झिस्टिंग टँक्स जे आसा तेंचे रेनोवेशन करून तेंची कॅपॅसिटी वाडोवपाची आमचे प्रयत्न आसा आनी सरकारा तो आदार आसा. मोस्ट ऑफ आवर रोड्स आर डन. विच रोड्स यू टेल मी विच रोड? देर इज ओनली वन major issue in Mapsa with regards to roads, that is in ward number 9, Angod, where underground cabling of high tension and low tension was done. And currently, as we speak, there is a new water pipeline which is being laid. The minute the pipeline is completed and testing is done, they will restore the roads as soon as possible.
Since you are MLA from Mapsa, has there been any coordination between you or the Porvorim MLA, especially in regards to the highway road, because this work is going on? Traffic congestion.
See, even I may not be the MLA of Porvorim. My dear friend and Minister Babron Gaute is the MLA of Porvorim. I have been working very closely with the entire PWD highway staff with regards to the Porvorim work. Whether it is the service roads in Mapsa that come from the highways or whatever congestions, whatever my opinions are there, I have been sharing with the Honorable MLA as well as the PWD right from the CE right down till the JE. All of them have been very supportive, very cooperative, and I think that the work जे पद्धतीन काम चालू आसा, I think this is the fastest we've ever seen in the entire state of Goa, and I'm happy to say that the progress every 10 days if you visit there is something new. So तितून कळपाक आमी पळयला की मांडवी पूल जाल्लो, जुवारी पूल जालो, कितलो वेळ लागलो करपाक. No doubt those projects were much bigger. There was a river to cross. There are different complications. Anga kai river na. It is everything is on land. But here we have a major artery, that is the national highway. We have a major tourism belt, that is Kalangut, that uses this main road. And sagle pratyek lokank tras jata. But I am happy to see that the department, the government, and the local MLA is working hand in hand with everybody to ensure that everything is worked out.
So another issue is that what happened to that Ravindra Bhavan?
Ravindra Bhavan, see, it is land acquisition ultimately. Komnidad is as principally approved, but they need to give approval from the general body. So as soon as that is done, Honorable Minister is ready to commence the work, and as soon as that is given to the department, we will start. The bus stand work is being taken up by Ministry of Transport. Honorable Minister Babu Movin Gudino will give an assurance on the floor of the house. That is what he has assured me. Today there is no question, I believe, not from my side at least. With regards to Mapsa, Margaon as well as Panjim, there are 3-4 bus stops which we are doing in a partnership with some private people.
हो हा पळय तुमचो बस स्टँड हा पळय इंटरस्टेट तेजे कितें स्टेटस फर्स्ट फेज केला आनी सेकंड
तो एकूच फेज जाला. सो आय थिंक I will get back to you with regards to what the department, the Ministry of Transport Ministry has assurance for the entire state of Goa, not only Mapsa, but 3-4 other bus stands.